Alright, I'm headed out, and we're going to stop at either Decker or Bastrop. I'm not sure which, but as you can see, it's raining, so that could make the day interesting. I don't think it's going to rain the entire time. I still think we're going to get some good time on the water, but looks like we're going to get pretty wet. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I made the call to come out to Bastrop. I checked the radar, and yeah, Decker was going to get a lot of rain. We're going to get rain here too. I don't know if you can kind of see. It rained on the way over here, but there was patches of blue sky. We're going to get wet today, but I think it's just going to be light rain. The stuff over at Decker looked like it was going to be pretty heavy. So we're going to give this a shot. I'm pretty optimistic that we're going to do okay. We're going to start by going across the bay over towards the outlet area over there. And there's some deep water along that far shore over there that we'll try. And then there's some good pockets over in there by that outlet area. So we're going to start there. I was thinking about going with the top water, but it's pretty windy, so I think I'm going to stick with going underneath. We'll give it a shot, see how it goes. Alright, well, we're going to start with this little chartreuse pattern. Chartreuse and white. It says it's 6 feet deep right here. I'm going to try it right up there next to those reeds. Got something. Oh, we got a little bass. Nice. That's first blood. Just a baby, but we got one. Oh, nice. Nice. All right. Ooh. Oh man, got him good. Oh dude, he's hooked right on the tongue. There we go. Nice, thank you. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of topwater action, so I'm gonna put this thing on. We're gonna give this a shot. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of topwater action, so I'm gonna put this thing on. We're gonna give this a shot. See how it does. Alright, I have not been able to get anything on topwater. The sun looks like it's going to come out. It's going to get a little bit brighter. I've been seeing fish moving, like jumping, and they're chasing these little minnows. So I'm going to go to a smaller fly here. I'm going to see if we can't get something in the boat here. Look at this. We're just getting ready to pull it into the kayak. Like right in front of me, and we got a pretty decent bass here. All right, and that was in 6 feet of water, so maybe I've been fishing it a little bit too shallow. Yeah, that was right in front of the kayak. And decent little bass. Thank you. All right, after a long drought, we finally got one. Ooh. That was in 5 feet of water. This little point. Oh man, and he inhaled it. Ooh. There you go. Nice little Bastrop bass. Ooh. Thank you. Okay, it's looking pretty nasty over here. I think we're gonna get rained on for like 15-20 minutes. And then it's gonna maybe sprinkle a little bit. I think most of the really heavy stuff is gonna stay west of us here. So I'm gonna chance it. Hopefully I don't regret my decision. We'll see. Alright, it's 5 feet deep here. Oh shoot. Try it right there in those reeds. Got him. Nice. Feels like a sunfish. Yep, big sunfish. Nice. Alrighty. Woo. Thank you. wind might lay down a little bit. It's actually not as bad as it was. Oh, there we go. We're gonna see. Got him. Oh man, this feels like a good one. Oh, no, just a little one. Ooh, nice. Ooh, all right. Well, actually, it's not too bad. He's the biggest one of the day. Ooh, there you go. Nice Bastrop bass. Right as the rain starts. Ooh, thank you. Okay, so this may have been a bad idea. I think it's only going to be short-lived, and that wind is howling. Man. And I gotta get out of the wind. I gotta go clear across over there to the other side. Oh my gosh. Well, we'll see. Man, that was an interesting ride over here. The wind's laid down now, but there were some pretty big whitecaps, and yeah, it was kind of interesting. I think it's going to rain like this probably for another hour or so. Hopefully the fishing will be good while it's raining. 15 minutes later, and look how calm it is. Man, it's raining hard right over there, but man, wind's laid down. Beautiful. Let's go catch some fish. Alright, well, it started to rain pretty hard. No wind though, so that's good. But maybe this rain will turn the fish on. I don't know. Can't hurt. I don't think it's going to rain very long either. Hey, look at this, man. Right in the rain. Right up next to the dam. Nice bass. Well, that makes for a nice day. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Just right up there on shore. Ooh. And swallowed it. There we go. Nice little bass. Thank you. Okay, well, let's see if he's got friends. It says it's 20 feet deep right here. And I caught that bass like right on shore, so. Sounds ominous. I think it's going to stay west of us. I hope it stays west of us. Yeah. Oh, got him. Got another one. Nice. You just feel like a little guy. Oh, not bad. Ooh. Oh, that's two just right here. Man, he's a chunk of a bass. He's a thick one. Ooh, there you go. Nice. Thank you. These guys have been pulling them out right and left. Got him. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Holy cow, this is a big one. Oh, no, it's not. Man, he felt like he was a huge one. Ooh. That's not too bad. Well, I just caught one down there not too long ago, but I had the GoPro off. And it had a bunch of minnows in its mouth. It was so cool to look at. Ooh. Ah, dang. Dang, I can't get this one out. It's in there good. Shoot. Ah, there we go. There you go. Very skinny guy, but nice. Thank you. Alright, it is only 4 feet deep right here. Oh, we're gonna... Oh shoot, we had one right there. Dang it. Alright, let's try that again. I think that might be hidden bottom. Oh no, that's a fish right there. Got him. Here's that moss. I might have moss. Nope, got a bass. Nice. Ooh. I think I'm just not letting it get deep enough. Ooh. And he inhaled it. Oop. Ah, come on. There you go. Boy, he's a skinny one. Thank you. Alright, I'm going to try this beast. I don't think the fly is our challenge, but it looks cool. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Holy cow, he's pulling hard. Oh yeah, that's a chunk. That is a nice one. Holy cow. He's gonna go probably 5. That's a nice one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, holy cow, he's heavy. That is a nice one there. Let's see, he is 20, no, almost 20, about 19 and a half. Oh shoot, and he swallowed it. Oh, both hooks. Oh shoot.
Well, at least I can get my hand in his mouth. Oh, man, that is a nice one. All right. Ooh, thank you. Ooh. All right, I'm making one last change. We're gonna go back to the chartreuse pattern. A little bit smaller fly. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Interesting weather today. Kind of knew I was gonna get rained on. I mean, it was raining when we left. And, you know, there's patches of sun here and there, but it was pretty cloudy. And, but when we got here, it was really nice. Actually caught a few right off the bat, which was nice. And then the winds picked up and didn't do too good for a while. And then we had that really strong storm come through. Got really windy, and the fishing picked up, and it was really good when it was raining like that. And now, you know, it's, man, what a gorgeous night, you know, just a light breeze. And so we ended up, I think it was 10 some odd bass. I had a couple that I forgot to turn the GoPro on. In fact, one, it was really cool. He had a bunch of minnows in his throat. You can kind of see what they were feeding on. And yeah, and one almost 20 incher. So, man, a pretty decent day, fishing wise. Can't wait to come back and do it again. Till next time.